Let's take a look at this problem. Each tire in a car has a radius of 10 inches. That's a pretty small tire, isn't it? It's a little clown car. The tires are rotating at 350 revolutions per minute. Find the speed of the automobile to the nearest mile per hour. Round to the nearest whole number. Okay. Now our formula for linear speed is we take angular speed times r. Well, they're giving us, what are they giving us? 350 revolutions per minute. So they're giving us 350 revolutions per minute, so that's over 1 minute, times r, which r was 10 inches. So they're giving us all the information that we're needing, angular speed and r, but it's not in the right form. This needs to be in radians per time measure, whatever that time measure means. And this here should be in whatever unit of measure we're wanting. Okay, well, let's start first with 350 revolutions per 1 minute. We know that we want it in radians, so 1 revolution all the way around a circle is equal to 2 pi radians. And I'll put RAD here just to really emphasize it, but I'll drop it in the next step. Okay, now when this gets done canceling, the revolutions will be gone, and this will be radians per minute. But this problem is wanting miles per hour. Well, the way dimensional analysis always works, I didn't say it here, but revolution is on the top here, so revolution has to be on the bottom here. If minutes on the bottom here, then minutes has to be on the top here. And we want it per hour, so I want to find some kind of connection between minutes and hours. Well, 60 minutes is in 1 hour. Okay, so the revolution is going to cancel, the minutes will cancel. When that gets done, we'll have 2 pi radians per hour. It's closer to what we want. Now let's talk about 10 inches. We don't want it in inches. We want it in nearest mile. Well, inches is on top here, inches has to be on the bottom. It's the way dimensional analysis always works. I don't know how many inches are in a mile, but I do know that there's 12 inches in 1 foot. So I can do this conversion. That gets me a step closer. Now feet's on top here, so feet has to be on the bottom here. And also know there's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Okay. Well, revolutions cancels that revolutions. This minute cancels this minute. Inches here cancels this inches. Feet here cancels with this feet. Radians is automatically just going to drop away because we don't keep a unit measure on that. And you notice that the only unit measure left is miles on top and hour down below. Miles per hour. Okay, we're going to multiply all the top parts together. So I'm going to have 350 times 2 pi times 60 times 10. Let me double check that. 2 pi, 60, 10, those are ones. Okay, those are trivial. 1, 1, 1, 1. So then on the bottom, I'm going to have 12 times 5,280. And this is going to be miles per hour. Miles is up on top, hours down below, so that's how you write it. Well, let's see what the calculator gives us here. Okay, so I got a beginning parentheses, 350 times 2 pi, so do 2 and then second caret for the pi, times 60 times 10, closing parentheses divided by beginning parentheses, 12 times 5, 12 times 5,280. And then closing parentheses. Well, let's see how fast our clown car was going now. And nearest miles per hour looks like 21. So you just round like normal. So it looks like our answer is 21 miles per hour. Now, how you're going to input your answers, don't put the unit of measure. Just put 21 into the learning management system, the LMS.